This is a short video about the remainder theorem that goes along with polynomial division. So here's what it says, and here's what you should know. If you've got a polynomial, and we're going to name it f of x, say, like function notation if you want. So given a polynomial and given some real number c, it can be any real number that you want, then what we're going to do is we're going to relate two quantities. The number, the output, f of c, so you get a number when you plug c into your polynomial. That number is equal to, it equals the remainder of your polynomial divided by x minus c. So this number is equal to the remainder of f of x divided by x minus c. And I just want to demonstrate that this actually is true, and then maybe you'll see some consequences of it when we talk about the factor theorem in another video. But I'm going to show you this problem that we did in the synthetic division video, which was to divide 2x cubed minus 5x plus 3 divided by x plus 2. So what we're going to do now, I'm just going to refer to the numerator, the top half here. I'll call that f of x. To remind me what we did though, when we divided this stuff, we got down to here, and now all I want to focus on is that -3 is the remainder. So if you're a little rusty on the synthetic division, go back and watch that video to see how we got to bottom. So what I want to show you now is I want to relate this remainder to you. I want to tell you another, what that's actually also equal to. So what we should notice, or what I'd like for us to notice, if I could copy and paste correctly, there, cool. So what happens when you just plug -2 into your function f up here, right? So well, let's do that. Let's take -2, that's my c in this case, and let's plug it into my function. So I'm plugging it in, and let's see what we get when I do that. So if I can do this correctly, this would be -16 when you multiply these guys out, plus 10 plus 3. Oh my gosh, what else do you get here? You get -3. So just to verify, yes, the remainder, when you do this division, -3 is the exact same as just the value of your function at that number c on x minus c, on that thing you divided by. So again, we'll see some more consequences of how we're going to use this later. Right now, this video is just to show you that this actually happens, that those two numbers will always be the same thing.